Americans save only about 3 to 4% of their income, while Japanese households often save more. Their secret isn't a restrictive budget, it's a 120-year-old mindset rooted in 4 timeless pillars. Let's decode them. If you want to reduce financial stress and build lasting wealth, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Pillar 1. Mottainai, the weight of waste. The foundation of the Japanese wealth mindset begins with a concept that has no direct English translation, mottainai. Originating centuries ago, the core meaning of mottainai revolves around a sense of regret when something's intrinsic value is not fully utilized. It is the deep felt weight of waste. In this philosophy, an object isn't just an object. A simple cotton shirt represents the water used to grow the crop, the labor of the people who harvested it, and the energy used to transport it. To wear it twice and throw it away isn't just a loss of your money, it is a dismissal of all that embedded value. Now, apply mottainai to the modern United States. We are currently living in an anti-mottainai economy. The U.S. self-storage industry generates over $44 billion a year in revenue. We purchase so many items that our homes can no longer contain them, forcing us to pay a monthly premium just to house the overflow of things we no longer use. That is a monument to wasted potential. Applying mottainai to your finances means recognizing that upgrading a perfectly functional smartphone just for a new camera lens is a waste of capital. Paying for a subscription box that piles up unopened in the corner of your room is mottainai. By learning to feel a slight, healthy discomfort at the idea of waste, you naturally begin to filter out impulse purchases before you ever swipe your card. Pillar 2. Hara Hachi Bu, the 80% rule. There is a famous cultural practice in Okinawa, a region known for its high concentration of people living past 100 years old. The practice is called Hara Hachi Bu, which roughly translates to eat until you are 80% full. You stop before the plate is clean. You leave space. This deliberate restraint is linked to incredible longevity and health. When translated to personal finance, this principle is a powerful wealth-building approach. Live on 80% of your income. Most Americans follow a flawed sequence: earn, spend, and then save whatever happens to be left over, which is usually very little. The Hara Hachi Bu financial sequence flips this entirely. Earn, save 20% immediately, and spend the remaining 80%. If you earn $5,000 and save $1,000 automatically, you'll quickly adapt to living on $4,000. The discomfort fades, but the savings compound. Financial resilience is about creating space, not restriction. If these strategies shift how you see money, hit like. It helps us reach more people ready to take control. Pillar 3. The Kakeibo, the analog engine. Now we arrive at the practical tool that brings these philosophies to life. In 1904, Japan's first female journalist, Hani Motoko, invented a household ledger called the Kakeibo. It was designed to give everyday people control over their household economies. The Kakeibo requires you to step away from automated apps. At the start of the month, you sit down with a physical notebook and a pen. You answer 4 simple questions. How much money do I have available? How much would I like to save? How much am I spending? How can I improve next month? Throughout the month, you manually write down every single purchase you make into one of 4 distinct categories. Needs, the essentials for survival: rent, utilities, basic groceries. Wants, the nice-to-haves: dining out, trendy clothes, that extra coffee. Culture, things that expand your mind and soul: books, museum tickets, educational courses, or investments in your business. Unexpected, car repairs, medical bills, or a forgotten birthday gift. Why does writing this down matter? Neuroscience gives us the answer. Studies show that the physical act of handwriting activates complex neural pathways related to memory and emotional processing. Typing on a screen or looking at an app is processed passively by the brain. When you physically write down $45, takeout, Tuesday, you are forced to process the transaction. You feel the pain of paying. It forces mindfulness into an action that consumer culture desperately wants to keep frictionless. Furthermore, Western budgeting often treats a $50 textbook and a $50 bar tab as the same thing, discretionary spending. Kakeibo separates them. The textbook is culture, an investment in your future. The bar tab is a want. This gentle categorization helps you understand why you are spending, allowing you to optimize your lifestyle without feeling deprived. Pillar 4. Taru wo Shiru, knowing what is enough. The final piece of the Japanese savings puzzle is a concept inscribed on ancient Zen gardens, Taru wo Shiru, meaning to know what is enough. The American economy is fundamentally engineered to make you feel like you do not have enough. Social media algorithms are designed to show you curated highlight reels of people driving nicer cars, taking better vacations, and living in bigger homes. It creates a perpetual sense of inadequacy, which drives lifestyle inflation. Taru wo Shiru is the antidote to the hedonic treadmill. It is the quiet confidence of realizing that your current car gets you to work perfectly fine. It is the peace of knowing your current wardrobe is stylish and functional. It is the realization that happiness doesn't scale linearly with consumption. Defining your enough shields you from marketing and helps you keep capital to buy back time and freedom. The implementation strategy. You don't need to move across the world to build wealth. You can begin shifting your defaults. Use a notebook for 30 days to track spending. Automate 20% savings with a bank transfer. Audit your environment. Unfollow accounts that trigger impulse buying. Financial independence is a behavioral challenge. The Kakeibo helps you reclaim control. Wealth isn't about punishment, it's about respecting your money and future. Practice Mottainai to respect resources and eliminate waste. Use Hara Hachi Bu to save 20% automatically. Write your spending in a Kakeibo to engage your brain. And embrace Taru wo Shiru to find your enough. I'm curious to hear from you. Are you going to try the physical Kakeibo method this month, or are you sticking to apps? What is one want category you plan to cut back on to reach your 20% savings goal? Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.